Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal intern at Lexus and Company. Today I am going to talk about bail under CRPC and its types. Bail is an important aspect of criminal procedure that allows the accused person to be released from the custody while waiting trial. The Code of Criminal Procedure provide provision regarding bail in India. Here an overview of bail under CRPC, including types. Bail under Section 437. Section 437 of CRPC deals with the grant of bail in a non-bailable offence. It allows the court to grant bail to a person accused of a non-bailable offence, except in a certain situation where a bail can be denied, such as when there is a reasonable ground to believe that the accused is likely to be abscond, tamper the evidence, or commit further offences. Bail under Section 439. Section 439 of CRPC provides the power of the High Court or the Session Court to grant bail in any case, whether it is bailable or non-bailable. The section enables the higher courts to exercise their discretion in granting bail based on the factors such as the nature of the offence, the severity of punishment, the character of accused, and the likelihood of the accused feeling for justice. Regular bail refers to the bail granted by the court during the pendency of the trial or investigation. It is a standard form of bail where the accused is released from the custody on certain conditions such as furnishing a bail bond, providing sureties. Regular bail can be granted in both bailable and non-bailable offences subjected to the discretion of court. Interim bail. Interim bail is a temporary grant by a court for a specific period, usually until the final decision on the regular bail application. It is granted in a situation where court needs more time to consider the bail application or where the accused needs to release on bail immediately due to exceptional circumstances. Anticipatory bail. Anticipatory bail is a provision that allows a person to seek bail in anticipation of being arrested in connection with the non-bailable offence. Section 438 of the CRPC for anticipatory bail. It is granted by the court to prevent the arrest of the person if there is reasonable apprehension that they may be arrested with a malicious intent. When granting bail, the court may impose certain conditions such as surrendering the passport, regular reporting to the police station, or refraining from contacting certain individuals involved in the case. The conditions are meant to be ensured and the accused cooperate with the investigation and their presence at that. Thank you. For any other doubt, please let us know through comment.